Hello everyone, let's discuss some vocabulary words that you can use in your essays in the IELTS exam. The first word for today is predominantly, which implies mostly or mainly. Here is an example. The population in the urban areas predominantly consists of younger people aged 20 to 25. Second word for today is subsequently, which means afterwards or following. To cite an example, India will subsequently become a one-religion state with the help of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Third word for today is intricate, which means complex or complicated. Here is an example. The government has planned some intricate rules and regulations to tackle water pollution. Fourth word for today is preposterous, which means unbelievable or impossible. Here is an example. The idea of humans colonizing Mars may sound preposterous now, but advancements in space technology can make it a reality. And this will be all for today. See you next time, and remember, keep practicing. Your hard work will definitely pay off one day. And don't forget to visit Spectrum Overseas in Jalandhar. Thank you.